Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram account. There are different ways to create an Instagram account depending on whether you already have an account before and you want to create another one, or you're opening a new Instagram account for the first time. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an account on Instagram using these two scenarios. So if you're opening an Instagram account for the first time, all you have to do is to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store in case you're using an Android phone. Then you search for Instagram. Search for Instagram. So guys, after searching it out, all you have to do is to install this app into your phone. Let me go ahead to install it. So guys, you can see it's already installing. So guys, once the app is fully installed, then you tap on open to open the app. So guys, as you can see, we are launching the app for the first time. So guys, if you're creating an Instagram account for the first time, this is how the interface is going to look like, but you're not going to have this profile picture here. I have this profile picture here because I already have an Instagram account. So if you want to open an Instagram account for the first time, what you have to do is to tap on create new account. You can see it there written down below just above the Meta logo. You can see it there. You tap on it. So guys, here you're required to input your full name. So let me input my full name. Then you tap on next. Then here you're required to put in a password. I will advise you to put in a very strong password, a password that has both upper and lower alphabets and special characters and symbols. So guys, let me go ahead to create a password. So guys, once you're done inputting your password, you tap on next. So guys, over here you're asked to save in your login info so that whenever you want to enter Instagram again, you don't have to input your login info. So guys, if you want to go ahead and save in your login details, then tap on save. But if you don't want to save it, just tap on not now. But I want to save it, so let me tap on save. Then over here you're asked to input your date of birth. Let me go ahead to input my date of birth. So guys, once you're done inputting your date of birth, you tap on set. Then you tap on next. Then over here guys, we are asked to input our username, but first of all, they've created a username for us. If you don't like this username, you can create your own special username. So guys, let me get to create my own special one. So I want to add this to it. Okay, they said someone has already taken this username. Let me add something next to it. So guys, this username has not been taken by anyone. That's why you can see that green tick there. You can see there being circled. So once you're done inputting your username, you tap on next. So guys, over here you're required to input your phone number, or you can go ahead to use your email, but I want to use my phone number so that they can contact me using my phone number. So let me go ahead to input my phone number. So guys, once you're done inputting your phone number, you can tap on next. So guys, to confirm your account, Instagram has sent a 6-digit code to the phone number you just imputed a while ago. So guys, what you have to do is to look out for the 6-digit code, as it's going to be sent to you through SMS, or they will have to automatically impute the code for you and process it. So guys, let me go over to my message app so that I can get to copy the 6-digit code. So guys, here is the 6-digit code. What I have to do now is to tap on next. But if you don't get the 6-digit code, what you have to tap on is I didn't get the code, but I got it, so I will tap on next. So guys, the next step to take is to tap on agree, because you have to agree to the terms and policy of Instagram. So tap on agree. So guys, over here we're required to add our profile picture, but if you don't want to add it, you can tap on skip. But let me go ahead to add a picture. Then let me choose from my gallery and tap on allow so that Instagram can access your gallery. So let me tap on this image. Let me use this image over here. So guys, you can actually edit this picture to position it well. All you have to do is to tap on the edit icon over there. Tap on it. Then you adjust the image. You adjust it. Then you tap on done at the top right corner. Tap on it. You can see now it's well centered. So guys, here you also asked if you want to share this your profile picture as a post. If you want to share it as a post, then you toggle it on, but if you don't want to share it as a post, just toggle it off. I don't want to share it, so I will leave it as off. Then once you're done with this part, now you tap on done. Guys, you can see welcome to Instagram, Chukwemeka. Let's start. So guys, over here you asked if you want to link or sync your Facebook account to this your newly created Instagram account. If you don't want to do that, just tap on skip. Let me tap on skip. Then you tap on skip again. So guys, over here you asked if you want Instagram to access all the contacts on your phone. So if you want Instagram to link or sync your phone contacts, just tap on sync. But if you don't want that, just skip. But I will tap on sync. Then you tap on allow. Then over here you're asked to discover people. As you can see, these are celebrities that have their accounts verified. You can decide to follow them if you want to. So let me follow a couple of them. Let me follow this guy, and let me follow Paul Jakes, and let me follow this person as well. So guys, once you're done with this, you tap on next. Tap on the good at top right corner. Wow guys, you can see our Instagram is open already. This is so awesome. You can see, you can scroll. This is how the interface of Instagram looks like. You can see videos are popping up. You can see pictures as well. So guys, you can also go ahead to edit your profile to add more information. To do that, all you have to do is to tap on your Instagram profile at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on edit profile. Tap on it. Then you can decide to create an avatar. If you don't want to, then you tap on not now. You can see you can decide to edit your name if you want to edit your name. You can decide to add a bio, add a description to your profile. You can decide to add a website link as well. You can decide to add a Facebook link. You can decide to do whatever you want to do on this edit profile section. So guys, this is how you go ahead to create a new Instagram account for the first time. So guys, let me go over to the second method, which is if you already have an Instagram account. What you have to do is to tap on your Instagram profile picture at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. Then you tap on the drop down icon next to your username. You tap on it. Then you can see where it is written add Instagram account. You tap on it. Here you're asked to log in into an existing account or to create a new account. If you want to create a new account, then you tap on create a new account. Then you'll be asked to add a username. You can go ahead to add a username. Once you're done, you tap on next. Then you ask to create a password. So guys, this is how you go ahead to create an Instagram account. If you already have an Instagram account, all you have to do is to go through the process I just showed you. It's that easy. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you can get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.